Guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can reset the service indicator or an oil indicator of a Skoda Rapid Space Pack. This one comes from 2018, and in this short video I'm going to show you I can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. First of all, turn the ignition on. There is an indicator popping up over here. I've just reset it so the indicator doesn't pop up anymore. So when it does pop up, the ignition off, press this set button over here. Press and hold it while you turn the ignition back on to the second position. That's all. And then you'll see over here that the surface like this reset, and press it again and you'll see that the surface interval has been reset. So once again, real quick, because it didn't go well the first time. Ignition off, press and hold it, ignition back on, wait for the indicator to pop up, release and press it again, and you'll see that the surface has been reset. This was a 2018 Skoda Rapid Space Pack and a short video on how to reset it. I hope you enjoyed it. It helped you resetting your own car. Check our other videos. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Subscribe if you like. And hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.